In this video, we will show you how to use our ready-made wallpaper estimator in Excel. The first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to find the specification of your wallpaper. This one we're going to go ahead and use York Wallcoverings. So scroll down and find the product dimensions. This one is 27 inches by 26.9 feet. So enter the roll width in inches, 27. Enter the roll length in inches. So go ahead and multiply 26.9 by 12 and enter, and what you get is 322.8. Then what you're going to want to do is enter the vertical repeat. So find the vertical repeat, 25.2, and make sure that it's in the box. Then you're going to want to enter the room dimensions. So say we have a 10 foot by 12 foot space. We're going to do each wall measurement individually. So enter 120 and say the room is also 10 feet tall, so 120 inches for 10 feet. Enter the wall width. Let's go ahead and do another 10-foot wall by 10 feet. And let's go ahead and put in a 12-foot wall, 144 by 120. Make sure that you don't mess around with any of the non-colored squares. It could screw up your calculations. And hit enter. It'll calculate that you need 10 single rolls and 5 double rolls or bolts. Now, if you have any large openings, you can subtract them here below. You can add them to your calculations. So say you've got a double French door, 60 inches wide by 96 tall. If there's any small openings, I don't recommend entering into here because you may need it for your pattern repeat, and you may have to just cut out a small window. So any small openings, just go ahead, and I would not enter them into these calculations. So with the one French door, it says to subtract the 2 rolls. So 10 minus 2, you'll need to order 8 rolls of wallpaper. I hope this wallpaper estimator in Excel is helpful for you. Please follow us for more interior design content. Thanks.